Coping with change is among the leading challenges facing students, and helping them to cope with change is very important. Many specialists on crisis management say that talking is high on the coping list. So start with talking. Like getting your kids involved from the word go. By involving them in the process and decisions, you help them feel better about the situation and also about themselves. Listen to their concerns and contributions, and please acknowledge them. It's important to allow your kids to feel and show their anger, sadness, and even fear. Let them understand that these feelings are normal. Give your kids time and space to digest and adjust to the situation. Talking about your problems can release pent up feelings.